Okay, today is 1122 semester for AI Basic, and today is week 5, and we will have a mega class, and we will talk about the chapter 2, part 2, okay? Chapter 2, the title is about the AI evolution and what AI can and cannot do. Actually, it's a part 2. And we will move on to the section 3, the myth of AI. And section 4, key thinking in developing AI. Let's check it. Okay, the clock is running, okay? Well, this is the way you do your final project, okay? It's the same pace, okay? So let's talk about the myth of AI and start with the question, is AI the fourth industrial revolution? Rather than saying that AI is the fourth industrial revolution, a more accurate statement is that AI will become an important driving force of the fourth industrial revolution. Will artificial intelligence replace you and my jobs? So AI indeed can solve part of labor shortage phenomenon because AI can perform many highly repetitive labor tasks, and it is difficult for AI to replace. Listen carefully, creative and critical thinkings, that kind of task or that kind of jobs. So which professions are likely to disappear due to AI? This includes highly repetitive labor work, standardized work, monitoring and warning work, and big data calculation work, etc. And based on the two reasons, the first one is a highly repetitive labor tasks, okay? Because the manual operations over a long period of time are prone to errors or mistakes, but AI robot operations rarely have such problems. Second one, standardized work. Standardized tasks have clear standard operation procedures, and we call it SOPs. In terms of technical practice, it is easy to implement the details with AI. Number 3, monitoring and warning work. Monitoring is different from supervision because the supervision requires the assistance of domain knowledge, but monitoring is to conduct long-term observation of spatial conditions and issues warnings and call alert when necessary. The focus of AI technology development for this type of work is intelligent ID, identification, and big data calculation work. The computing power of computers must be stronger than that of humans, whether it is a numerical calculation capabilities or memory storage capabilities. They are incomparable of humans. This is a case about it's from Twitter. It's a digital celebrity. He's writing a Batman script. That's a Twitter homepage, okay? So this is tend to a thinking job. So what I'm talking about is not easy to replace, okay? So highly creative text, for example, write a mystery novel, it's not easy to replace by AI. And are there any texts that are difficult to replace with AI? For example, communicating, okay, in interpersonal relationships requires very high soft skills, okay? It is even more difficult for AI to handle this type of work because people with people need to, communication, emotional involved, okay? And judgments can only be made by those with sufficient insight and analytic skills, such as doctors, lawyers, etc. This type of task is not easily replaced by AI. Number 3, the task of decision making is ultimately carried out by real people. So highly crowd, contact tasks, professional tasks require insight and analysis, and decision-making tasks is difficult to replace by AI. The task of service regeneration and reconstruction is to be open and innovative, and the AI can only assist a small part of the matter. So the task of service regeneration and reinvention are also difficult to replace with AI. Let's move on to the section about the key thinking in developing AI. So AI algorithms still need to be researched and developed according to different fields. And AI algorithms still need to be researched according to different fields. An AI service suitable for this field must be developed and applied. And related to AI regulation should be improved ASAP, as soon as possible. For example, the negative application of the deep learning is also belong to the machine learning, called deepfake. Deepfake uses deep learning to convert facial images of people in videos into the face of another person. So use deepfake to make fake videos, to publish fake news, to influence elections. And for example, we will see the connection of the, this week, we will see the BBC News, they use the disinformation. Because right now the presidential election in the United States is going on, okay? So the fake news or disinformation are very, very bad, okay? So we can make fake videos of kidnapping the defraud relatives and friends, etc. And these behaviors may violate the law, and relevant laws and regulations should be improved ASAP, okay? And you can see the picture right here, and the image source is from Wiki, okay? So let me remind you, when you do your final project, just cite it with the source, okay? And avoid the intellectual probability law, okay? And this is a phase before and after being modified by deepfake. Actually, the similarity, I mean, almost like about 90%, right? But it's different person, okay? So they use like kind of deepfake techniques to do some bad things, okay? And develop AI tools to lower the threshold for AI application and enable everyone to make a good use of AI, okay? So applying AI is as easy and as convenient as using social networking sites and instant messaging. Only then can AI become more popular and developed. So let's back to the last section about chapter 2, what AI can and cannot do. So remember, the AI needs the data for data training, okay? And each field has its own specialized knowledge, which AI cannot create out of thin air. This part relies entirely on human beings to set or design AI. In addition to building knowledge, we also need to connect knowledge, okay? And creative and speculative words and the text are not easy for AI to learn by itself using machine learning algorithms. There are also tasks that are difficult to replace with AI at this stage. Okay, so that's about part 2 of the chapter 2, okay?